Hello dear learners. Today we are going to talk about few of the MCQs from social pharmacy, which was earlier known as health education and community pharmacy. We are on the chapter nutrition and health. Few of the authors also give this chapter as nutrition and food. So it is one and the same. Like your first chapter, that is concept of health, which some authors quote it as concept of health differently and concept of disease differently, and some of the authors include both the parts in the same chapter, so it varies. So likewise nutrition and health, some of the authors will mention it as nutrition and health, and some of the authors will mention it as nutrition and food, but according to your syllabus copy, it is nutrition and health. So to start with few of the MCQs from nutrition and health, the first question is the composite mixture of the substances including proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals is dash. So whether it is food, whether it is nutrition, whether it is health or none of them, the correct answer is it is food. मतलब ऐसा एक मिक्सचर जो सब सब्सटेंसेस को मिलके बनता है, which includes proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, everything. So that composite mixture is nothing but food. Food and nutrition, it is often synonymously used, but it is not correct. Food, it is a composite mixture of the substances, whereas nutrition is what? Food is just a mixture of substances and nutrition is the process wherein food is being processed. So that is different. Food and nutrition is entirely different. So if you will see here the composite mixture, like along with this, like fruits, vegetables, which is rich source of vitamins and minerals, along with that leafy vegetables, then milk is there, egg which is rich source of protein, okay, chicken is there, fishes, okay. So all these composite mixture and the cereals which we have, generally we use it for breakfast and all these foods which we eat daily is a composite mixture of all these substances. Next question is dynamic process in which food is digested, absorbed, assimilated is used for nourishing the body is dash. Whether it is food, whether it is nutrition, whether it is health or none of them, the correct answer is it is nutrition. So as in we discussed in the first question that food is different and nutrition is different. So food is the composite mixture and nutrition is the process wherein food is processed by the steps like digestion, absorption, okay. So these processes is nothing but nutrition, and the food is processed by the following stages like metabolic stages like digestion, absorption, assimilation, excretion, okay. So all these steps are included in this. Next question is, like here you can see nutrition. Nutrition is the process wherein the food is being processed and it is utilized for overall development of our body. Next question is Latin term nutriere means dash. Whether it is food, nutrition, health or none of them, the correct answer is it is nutrition. Nutriere ये जो Latin term है ये न्यूट्रिशन वर्ड के लिए यूज किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फूड इज क्लासिफाइड एज डैश. whether it is energy yielding food, whether it is body building food, whether it is protective food or all of them, the correct answer is it is all of them. Food is classified as energy yielding food which is rich in carbohydrates and fats, okay. Then food is also classified as bodybuilding food which is also known as anabolic food, which includes, like bodybuilding food includes meat, okay, which you can see here: meat, liver, eggs, milk, fishes, pulses. Okay, so this is energy yielding and bodybuilding. Then protective food, which generally includes like leafy vegetables. Okay, then which is rich source of vitamins, minerals. Protective food. Okay, here you can see in the image. Okay, fruits are there, leafy vegetables are there. So these all are protective foods. So this is the basic classification of the food which is required for the maintenance and regulation of tissue functions as well as bodybuilding, provision of energy, various functions. Next question is, energy yielding food include, whether energy yielding food includes food rich in carbohydrates and fats. They include cereal, sugar, honey, etc., as well as jellies. Then both of them or none of them. The correct answer is, it is both of them. Energy yielding food includes food which is rich in carbohydrates, rich in fats. Okay, carbohydrates, fats. Also it includes cereal, which we generally take it along with the milk for our breakfast, like generally we have corn, okay, oats, so maize. Okay, so all these typical include cereals. Then sugar, honey, jellies, etc. Next question is, bodybuilding food is also known as dash. Whether bodybuilding food is known as catabolic food, anabolic food, metabolic food, or all of them. The correct answer is, it is anabolic food. As we all know, anabolism and catabolism, these are the two different terms. So anabolism is something which is forming and catabolism is something which is breaking down. So anabolic refers to the building of muscle mass from the protein and nutrients, whereas catabolic means to break down. Okay, so anabolic food is generally used for bodybuilding purpose. Okay, so this bodybuilding food is also known as anabolic food, wherein you can see this is used for muscle mass or increasing the body size, building of the muscle mass and increasing the body size. Next question is, bodybuilding food includes dash. Whether it includes meat, milk and pulses, whether it includes fishes or all of them. The correct answer is, it is all of them. Bodybuilding food includes meat, okay, includes meat, liver, fishes, pulses, eggs, milk, etc., which you can see here in the image. Okay, which is a rich source of protein. Then next question is, protective food include dash. Whether protective food includes items which are rich in proteins, vitamins and minerals. Yes. Whether it includes milk, eggs, whether it includes leafy vegetables or all of them. The correct answer is, it is all of them. Protective food, which protective means what? The food which we have for protecting our body against some diseases. Okay, so this protective food includes the sources which are very much rich in proteins, vitamins, minerals. Okay, which includes, here you can see various in the picture you can see milk, egg, okay, fishes, leafy vegetables, legumes. So all these are the protective food. Next question is, functions of food include dash. Whether functions of food are to provide the energy, bodybuilding and repair, maintenance and regulation of tissue functions, or all of them. The correct answer is, it is all of them. All are the functions of food. Protective food protects us from the disease. Okay, then bodybuilding food helps us grow the bones and muscles. Then energy giving food provides us with the energy. So all these are the functions of food. Next question is, proteins dash. Proteins are, whether they are complex organic nitrogenous compound, whether they are composed of CHONS and P and various other elements, whether it provides about 24 amino acids, or all of them? The correct answer is, it is all of them. Proteins generally are complex organic nitrogenous compound, means they contain nitrogen in them, and they are complex organic substances. They are composed of various elements like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, and so on. Okay, they are rich in these elements. Then 24 amino acids are also there, which are present in the proteins, which includes like few essential amino acids, then non-essential amino acids, then conditionally essential amino acid. The examples are there, like it is arginine, histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine. Okay, then in upcoming parts of the nutrition and health, we are going to talk about the tricks also to remember about these amino acids and the composition. As you can see here, it is like includes the elements like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. Not only these, besides that, it also includes, like, see here, you can see copper, magnesium, okay, manganese, zinc, etc. Okay, so here we finish with few of the MCQs from nutrition and health part 1. Stay tuned with us for further many more parts on the nutrition and health. So stay tuned with us for further parts from the topic nutrition and health, and with part 1 we finish over here. Thank you.